We have an option to save encrypted information. First, we need to add encryptions. Create encryption package. Encryption 1. We need to enter a key. In this case, I am entering 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Repeat the key 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Repeat the key 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Add encryption. Now the encryption is added. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In case we need to up the encryption, we can go to the address section. Here, let's edit the address. Yeah, if we need to include encrypted information to this address, like the password to access this particular website, password and username, and the bank details, bank password. In this case, we can use this option. We select the encryption key. We enter the key 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, the key is valid, so we can enter the data. Okay, now this information can be saved. We added this particular address to a task earlier. You can see that. Okay, this is the task. It's all the task. We can see that address information, the website, phone number, and everything, plus an encrypted data section. In case we need to go to this website, we can click this. But we need password and username to access this website. So let's decrypt the password details. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, these are the information. So we can input these informations to the website and collect the information we need. After getting the information, we can proceed to the next step. Next step is closing particular task. Let's enter the number of files we are going to upload. Suppose 2 files. We can attach file. We can upload one file. Since it's okay, we have added 2 files. Close this. Close this. Then date of entry, total amount created by remarks. These 3 are required also, but this is optional. We can enter or we may not enter. Let's save the document. Let's close the task. The task is closed.